Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the Peephole Chevron stitch. This is a lovely open chevron stitch combo that I use in all of my Chevy patterns. It's really easy to do and a lot of fun to work up. For this tutorial you're going to need some yarn. I used We Crochet Cotton, which is a DK cotton yarn for this project right here, which is my Chevy tee. I only had a little bit left, so I am using a scrap ball of We Crochet's Wool of the Andes Sport to show you the tutorial. Plus, it's a nice light color, so it should show up well in the video. I'll link both of the yarns in the description, but you can use any yarn that you have on hand. And I'm using a G 4.0 millimeter Furls streamlined wood crochet hook. I will also link that in the description, as well as the pattern for this top. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, to start your Peephole Chevron stitch, you're going to want to chain in a multiple of 10 plus 3. So for the tutorial, I am going to chain 33 chains. All right, I've chained 33. I'm going to turn it around and work into the back bump. And I'm going to start by doing 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from my hook. So I've got my 2nd chain from my hook here. This is the chain attached to my hook. 2nd, 3rd, and then 4th. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet. And then I'm going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Now I'm going to skip 2 and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 again. Three and 4. All right. That's what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 4. I'm not skipping any this time. I'm just going to work into that next one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, there we have that. Now we are going to repeat all of that until we get to the last 6 chains. So skip 2 and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 4. All right, then chain 2 and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 4. All right, so we should have 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we're at our last 6. Now it says to skip 2 and 2 and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then in our last chain, we're going to work 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. All right. We've completed our first row. My yarn wants to be a little wonky. There we go. We've got our first row. Now we're ready to do row 2. So we are going to take our yarn and we are going to chain 3, and that's going to count as our first double crochet and turn our work. Now we're going to do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Now we're going to skip 2. So we're skipping double crochets now. We're skipping 1, 2, and doing 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now we're at our chain 2 space, and so what we're going to do is we are going to do 1 double crochet into the chain space, chain 2, and then another double crochet into the chain space, just like that. And then we're going back down now, 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. The yarn is not pulling out of the cake. All right, and then skip 2 and do 1 in each of the next 3. And then 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the chain space. All right, and then 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. And then we're going to skip 2, and now we're at the end again. So skip 2, do 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. And then we have our starting chain here, which is the 3 that we skipped at the beginning. We're going to do 2 double crochet into the top of that chain 3. So here is our row 2. So as you can see, we've got a nice little chevron pattern going, and it's really simple. And it's just a matter of skip stitches and chain spaces and double crochet that create that. So now for the rest of our swatch or project or whatever, we are just repeating row 2 to get our length that we want. So let's do row 2 again. We're going to chain 3, and that counts as our first. Turn our work, do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. All right, skip the next 2 and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. Then we're going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space, and then 1 double crochet in each of the next 3. And we're going to repeat that whole segment again. Skip 2. Sorry guys, my yarn is not cooperating today. Skip 2 and do 1 in each of the next 3. Okay, now we're at our chain space, so we're going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and then 1 in each of the next 3. All right, we're at the end, so skip 2, one in each of the next 3. 1, whoops, 2, maybe, and 3, and then do 2 double crochet at the top of your chain space, your chain 3 space. And that's all there is to it. You just repeat row 2 until you get the desired length that you want, and or however you want to do that. Here is a close-up of the Chevy tee, and you can see it's just gorgeous. I have a Chevy tee, I have a Chevy cowl, I have a Chevy blanket. All of them use this stitch right here. It's so simple and relaxing, and easy, and just really fun. So I'll link all of the patterns in the description for you. If you have any questions about this stitch, or comments or whatever, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll hit that like and subscribe button, and have a wonderful day.